Unraveling the Phrase, rice flour. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, rice flour. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started. Rice flour is made up of two words, rice and flour. Rice, a popular grain consumed by millions worldwide. It's a staple food in many countries and is known for its small, white grains. Flour, a powder made by grinding raw grains or roots. It's commonly used in cooking and baking. When combined, rice flour refers to a powder made by grinding rice grains. It's an alternative to regular wheat flour and is often used in gluten-free cooking. Rice flour has various applications. Here are some common uses. 1. Baking. Rice flour can replace wheat flour in baking. This is especially useful for people with gluten intolerance. 2. Thickening agent. It's commonly used to thicken soups and sauces because it provides a clear, glossy finish without altering the taste. 3. Asian cuisine. Rice flour is a primary ingredient in many Asian dishes, such as rice cakes and certain types of noodles. 4. Coating. It's used as a coating for fried foods, giving them a crispy texture. In many cultures, especially in Asia, rice flour holds cultural significance. For instance, during certain festivals, people prepare delicacies using rice flour to celebrate and honor traditions. It's not just a food ingredient but a representation of heritage and tradition in many parts of the world. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, rice flour. We hope you've gained a better understanding of what it is and its importance in various cuisines and cultures. Remember, language isn't just about words but also about the rich histories and stories they tell. Happy learning! And until next time.